Meet the rocket. Now meet the laser. There are a few fake laser takedowns as you can see behind me, but in this video we will see how this amazing system called light shield intercept rockets, mortars and UAVs. We all know the Iron Dome by now, Israel rocket-based interception system. If you are not familiar with it, it's a system that detects the rocket mid-air and shoots a counter missile to intercept the rocket. But today I want to introduce you to the laser-based system. Okay then, let's see it in action. This is the rocket takedown test. Holy shit.
Target engaged. Target successfully intercepted.
Now the mortar interception. That's slow-mo.
הפעלת לייזר בוצעה.
Laser interception in progress.
מטרה הושמדה.
And last but not least, the UAV interception. That's amazing. Cool, isn't it? If you subscribe to the channel, you will be even cooler. Until next time.